So for the past month, I've been really lazy when it comes to going to the gym. Well, let's not say lazy, it's just I've been so busy with other things in life, work, schoolwork, family, what you say, and ending up with summer, I just haven't had enough time as I'd like. But now that, it's September, everyone's getting back into regular routines, October's coming up, cooler weather, I'm really going to start getting back into it every day as I used to. Maybe only one rest day, cheat day, whatever you want to call it. But to do so, I thought I'd grab a new pair of sneakers that just released a week or two ago. I was going to do this a bit earlier, but like I said, I've been busy. I've been meaning to put this video out, but anyways, no further ado, you clicked on this video because of the title, and most people that come to watch my videos see I really like Under Armour and I review a lot of Under Armour. So here is another pair of Under Armour shoes, and not just that, Project Rock Under Armour shoes. We're here with the Project Rock 5. Now I'm really excited for this because I really like the Project Rock 3. The aesthetically was pretty nice. Go check out an older video I have of that. I got a pair in white and orange. I tried the black pairs, white pairs, all of that. It was a decent shoe when it came to me and going to the gym. There was nothing else I have here in Canada with me at the moment that I'd say this is going to be my gym shoe. Most of my stuff was like Jordans, Adidas Ultra Boost, Yeezys, all that type of stuff. You need a shoe specifically for the gym, and I didn't always just want to wear J's to the gym. I wanted a dedicated gym shoe, so I was rocking that Project Rock 3 for a while. The Project Rock 4 came out. I really was not pleased with the aesthetic look of it. It's okay. I tried it just to see how it was for the gym, but nothing too crazy to make me want to buy that model. Then came the Project Rock BSR, and after that, the one I ended up getting, the Project Rock BSR 2. Go check out my review on that. It's now the shoe that the UFC is sponsoring. They have a BSR 2 UFC edition that came out in all orange. I was thinking about that, but you know what? I need a new model. And the Project Rock 5 just dropped, so like I said, I had to pick it up. Anyways, I'm talking too much. Let's just drop right into the shoe, or jump right into the shoe, I should say. So first thing off, we have the top of the box. I'll show you guys right there. Got that nice Brahma Bull logo in gold. It says Dwayne Johnson right there. Now I always thought the Rock his logo should just be like a rock or something, like rock, paper, scissors, the Rock, but I guess, university and all that, he had to go with the Brahma Bull. Here is the front of the box. So you say UA Project Rock 5, and that's this Disrupt. That is the purple colorway I got. A lot of the Project Rock clothing, as you can see, I'm wearing some right now. This is the older stuff. A lot of the Project Rock clothing for this way is like in a color Disrupt purple. I'm really liking it. It's got lightning bolts and all. I didn't pick up any yet because I'm going to wait to get it at a factory outlet like I normally do. I don't need the Project Rock clothing right away. I'll wait for it to hit. And if I get it on a deal, like I did this one, then I get it on a deal. Factory outlets. But anyways, let's do another look at the box. So there's the front. Up close so you guys get a better personal look like that. On the side of the box, it says Under Armour with the Under Armour logo there. Use upside down and straight side up. Back of the box, you got the logo here. And then, still with the motto, blood, sweat, respect on the side. Now we're going to slightly start to open it. Ooh, and like they always do with the Project Rock, I have hundreds of these. You get a nice Brahma Bull sticker. Maybe you want to stick that on your car like a coworker of mine has done. Maybe you want to stick this on a laptop or something. I don't know. People like stickers. Give it to a kid. Next thing you know, you got their motto card. Just like the products ASRV, most of these nice sportswear products come with a motto card. Take a second to read the motto card there. Or don't screenshot it. Do what you want. I'm just showing you guys the shoe. And then finally, I like the paper on this model. You see, the paper has blood, sweat, respect, the Brahma Bull on it. And finally, we get into the shoe. So I'm going to put it up this way. Maybe this is a good screenshot. This way. So obviously you guys want a shoe in the 360. Oh! As soon as I picked it up out of the box, the main thing I noticed is the upper. The upper feels very, I don't know, not a mesh. It feels more of like a plastic coating to it. Maybe that will help with water resistance. Maybe it makes it easier to breathe. I don't know. When I get a shoe and I review it, I always take out the inside first. No one likes those foot trees, these paper foot trees. They should make them all plastic, then people would like them. Maybe that's bad for the environment. Okay, so right now, there we go. You know, normally I like my shoes a little more triangular, not with the curved toe up like this. But once again, this shoe for me is a little bit aesthetic, but mainly function at the gym. I will be comparing this to the Project Rock BSR2 because I love that shoe. For squats, deadlifts, any heavy lifts, that shoe is my favorite gym shoe of all time now. Better than Nike, Metcons, whatever. Okay, so there's the shoe. We got that nice there and there. Got a hit of the Bramable and the Under Armour logo here. Before, I believe on the 4, it was further back. You got that, what's that say there? Hover? I don't know yeah, hover. So you got that hover technology back in the heel. Now right here, do they have a plate? I don't know, it's just in grooves, indents in the sole, so I wonder how that will play into performance. And maybe that dent there is going to make it more flexible. I doubt it because the shoe, you can see with the tri-rain base bottom, tri-rain, is that what it's called? I don't know, the 3-way base bottom that all Project Rock shoes have for the stability. They have that there. And this time they've added the Project Rock, the Bramable logo in there too. There we go. Right, I said tri-base, not tri-rain. Sorry, tri-base technology. Then we got a hit of Under Armour back on here. These might look good, you know, for your kid walking in the snow. Leave a little footprint. Okay. Now let's move to the front of the shoe. If you look it straight on, you got a little something there. What does that say? I cannot make that out. Tri-base. Sorry. That's a tri-base logo they got right there. That's a nice little hint. Took me a second to figure it out. Another hit of the Bramable. Just an indentation cut out there. So this is the inside of the shoe versus the outside of the shoe. We had the front, bottom, and now the top. I'm really intrigued by this material. You guys will have to get this in hand. Go to a store, pick it up. Go to your Under Armour brand house if you have one near you. Get a pair, or just, you know, order online. And then if you don't like it, you can return. You know, it's that easy. But get these in hand. You won't be disappointed. Now on the flaps here, the wings, they do slightly come out. They're not fully stitched in. They're stitched at the bottom, so I'm not a huge lover of plastic on shoes, but I guess we'll do it for support. Got the Bramable in the back, one pull tag, and inside sock line is pretty cool. It's got kind of a, you know, let me try to bring a light over here for you guys to see. It's got kind of a lightning bolt effect to it. Alright, and then one last thing, one more hit of Bramable and Under Armour on the tongue. On the tie here, so you got a tie at the front and the back. Slip the tongue on in the back. Oh man, now, okay, let me untie this quickly for you guys, because there's one thing they have done now that is kind of funny. It is a sock liner shoe, if anyone is wondering. Sock liner, so it is fully stitched together on the sides, and then the tongue goes all the way down. So the tongue is not attached to the sock liner like this stuff here. It runs all the way down and is a single piece itself here. Sizing wise, I went 10.5 because I am a true to size 10.5 in most things. Almost everything I wear 10.5 in. Right? So I was talking about the tongue. Do you guys see? They did the frayed tongue effect. Now, if you're familiar with that in the past recent years, that's like Off-White has done it on a lot of Nike products, and Nike has continued to run with it. So this tongue, I don't know, it's like a very soft foam material. This will probably feel really nice on the top of your foot. And the breathability, I don't know, like we gotta go throw these on foot in a second and then see where we go from there. Oh, I missed one hit. Alright, it says Dwayne Johnson on the inside on that little piece there. So yeah, one last thing on the inside, it says Blood, Sweat, Respect writing with the signature and a little motto on the insole. The insoles do not come out. The insoles are stitched to the base of the shoe. So these small details are some things that, you know, may bother people or may be a positive for people. If you find you don't like the insole built in, because it is pretty nice and rigid, but if you want something softer, you can always buy more insoles. You know, your own personal orthotics. However, this is a lifting shoe. So I don't know if you really want to add more squish to it because you want it to be sturdy and stable. Anyways, there we go for the Under Armour Project Rock 5 Disrupt, the new model. Let me go throw these on feet just so you guys can see how they look. Alright, as sizing goes, this is the correct size. I have a little bit of space. When I push my foot forward though, it doesn't hit the front. If I went any size smaller, I'm pretty sure my toes would be cramping. Okay, so we got the final verdict on the Project Rock 5s. A few things I noticed about it. So the flexibility in the front of the foot is very good. When I moved forward, if I actually felt like I wanted to run, the rockering motion in the front of the shoe, unlike the Project Rock 3 where I lifted, I felt I'd roll forward. I did not feel like I'd roll forward due to this tri-base in the front here, but when I did want to move, it moved actually very nicely. Now, will I switch this and wear this all the time now instead of the BSR2? I don't think so, because the BSR2 personally is for certain lifts, deadlifts, squats. Now, if I'm doing like a calisthenic day, a fast movement day, in my opinion, this is a way better all-around shoe. So if you want to use it for everything, then yeah, this shoe is great for you. If you just want a shoe for lifts, I would recommend the Under Armour Project Rock BSR2. But at the end of the day, every shoe is to each their own when it comes to feeling good on your foot. So anyways, that's the Project Rock 5. So many other colorways to come out. I can't wait to see the Project Rock 5 Black Adam colorway that's about to drop in October, I believe. Anyways, what do you guys think about this shoe? Did they improve on the model compared to the 4? Did you like any other Under Armour Project Rock models better? You know, the 3, the 2? What do you think about Project Rock Under Armour sneakers, you know? Comment below, whatever you want to do. Anyways, I keep mumbling on, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, take it easy.